So guys, first click to start, open any browser, go to hp.com, xtech 3 dot, then support, then click to software and driver, click to laptop, scroll down, type hp Spectre x360 15, then hit enter. Select the operating system. If you have Windows 10, so no worry about that. Installations process same. Scroll down, extract the driver network. Now you can see this is the Wi-Fi driver, okay, which is are using by internet. Click to download. Wait few seconds. It's downloading in progress. It is completed. Just single click to open. Then click to yes, and you can see guys, this is VLAN driver, means Wi-Fi driver. Then yes, this is the version. You can see the band and virus AC. Accept, the next. After that, restart your system, guys. Thank you.